If you own a pest control company and your revenue's up, but your bank account feels the same, you're not alone. In a benchmark we ran on pest companies, a huge chunk of them grew last year and basically didn't get any richer doing it. More trucks, more techs, more jobs, more stress, but same profit. This video is about why that's happening and what you can do about it. I'm Patrick, the CEO of FRAXN. We do bookkeeping and financial reporting for home service companies, pest, lawn care, wildlife, HVAC, plumbing, managing over $300 million a year in revenue. For this project, we zoomed in on pest control. We pulled full P&Ls from 125 pest control operators across the US. We standardized them into one chart of accounts and asked one simple question. Are all these busy companies actually getting more profitable or just busier? This wasn't a survey. We didn't ask, what do you think your margin is? We use real financials and put them into one consistent format so you can finally compare apples to apples and know where you actually stand. Here's one thing our benchmarking study showed that hit me. The typical pest company in the study grew revenue by about 15.4%. But almost half the operators had expenses growing as fast as their revenue or faster, which means growth didn't actually make them more money, it just made them busier. And these aren't dumb operators, they're great businesses and real markets. They're just missing one thing, a clear benchmark to tell them this is what healthy looks like at your size and in your region. And that's what this report is designed to give you. Let me give you a 2-question gut check. Don't pull out a calculator, just answer honestly. Did your revenue grow last year? And do you feel noticeably richer because of it? Not are you busier, not do you have more trucks? Do you actually feel more financially secure than you did a year ago? If your answer is, yeah, revenue's up, but honestly, it all feels about the same, then you're probably in the same bucket as a lot of companies in the study, growing at a cost. And that's fixable, but you can't fix it by guessing off your gut and your bank balance. You need to see how your labor, your marketing, and your overhead actually compares to healthy operators your size. If you want to see exactly where you stand, here's what to do. Go to the benchmark page at FRAXN.report, download the report, and then use it to line up your numbers against your revenue tier and your region. And if you don't want to interpret it alone, you can book a benchmark walkthrough from that same page. We'll overlay your numbers on the benchmark, show you which quadrant you're actually in, and help you pick the one number to focus on this year so you're not just getting busier without getting richer. We'll give you the data and the context, and in the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it inside your pest business. Get the Pest Control Benchmark Report at FRAXN.report.